Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Um, I have taken a few months off from my channel. I usually do YouTube shorts. You usually don't hear my voice. I think I might have used my voice on one of the videos previously. Um, but other than that, I usually just use music and do YouTube shorts. Well, I decided to take that time off to reevaluate my YouTube channel. I'm not going to give up on it, but sometimes you have to stop and go in another direction, okay? The goal is still the same, but the direction has just changed, okay? Um, so in that time of me revamping and rethinking everything, I come across a great system, and it is called the Cash Building System Unlimited. It is basically a postcard mailing system. It's great for those who have no computer experience, for stay-at-home moms, for those who don't want to go out and work with the public because of what's going on today, and you just want to make money from home. If you can put a stamp on a postcard and a label, you can definitely do this business. Okay? And this is my website that I decided to get so that I can also um, build an audience to help those who want to start this business so that I can give you insight. The reason why I decided to get a website is because I'm already online. Am I going to mail the postcards out as well? Absolutely. I am going to be consistent with my postcards. I am going to mail them diligently because sometimes you can't always get a video out, so this will work perfectly in conjunction with marketing strategy as well. Okay? The Cash Building System Unlimited, you don't need any experience. There's no cold calling involved. There's no emailing. So you don't have to worry about the spamming. No selling to strangers or family members. No going to the mall and stopping folks and asking them to join the system. None of that. Okay? You don't have to explain the program. The program is really simple. There's no minimum orders. You don't need a computer. For those of you who are not computer savvy, this business will work with just mailing the postcards. But you can also do other offline marketing strategies that we also teach in the Facebook group. Okay? And there's no confusing system to understand. Here is a sample of the postcard that you will get. This is the front part of the postcard. You put your stamp here, and you put your label here, and your ID number here. Okay? Right here, this tells you all about how the system works, how the levels that you go into. You're going to sign up at phase 1 for $50. Guys, $50. How many of you don't have $50? Okay? This is the perfect opportunity for you. Sign up in at $50. When you sign up at $50, you will get 200 done for you postcards, 200 leads that's going to be on a peel and stick label. You will get access to members only discount pricing on postage stamps. Okay? You get access to the private offline marketing strategies as well as the Facebook group, which is a really great group around a lot of good people. You want to surround yourself with like-minded people to help you stay motivated, to see their progress, they'll give you insight, just uplifting each other, especially in this time. There are two ways to earn, okay? You can earn through spillovers, which is you get paid up to the level you sign up for. Any money above that goes to your sponsor, and that is called spillover. If you get paid by upgraded bonuses. If one of your personal downline members upgrade to a higher level, you will receive a $200 per level. You can upgrade at any time by sending in the difference between the current level and the level you're upgrading to. Okay? So basically, here are the levels that you can upgrade to. Let me bring you down here. Okay, like say you're going to be joining here at phase 1 for $50, and when someone else joins under you, you will receive $25 payments. Right here, this is phase 2. Okay, you can only come in at phase 2 once you join phase 1. At phase 2, you can come in at $100, which means that if anybody signs up under you for $100, you'll get 70. You can come in at phase 3. The next phase, which is $300. If anyone signs up under you, it'll be $150 payment. Or you can come in at phase at $500, where you will receive $350 payments. Okay. Now, um, there is an option that if you decide to upgrade within 2 weeks after joining phase 1, right here, you will be pushed to the next level. So in other words, if you sign in at the $100 level, you would automatically get the $300 level. So if you pay $100, you will get $150 payments. If you sign in at $300, you'll get $350 payments. If you sign in at the $500 level, it's going to boost me up to level 3, which will give me $700 payments. Okay? So you do get a 70% commission with this opportunity. This is my ID 2711. You can get started by joining me, or you can click here to join by mail. You can find me on Facebook. If you decide that after your 2 weeks that you want to go to past levels 2 and you want to hit levels 3 through 8, contact me either by my telephone number here, or you can contact me on Facebook. I would rather you contact me on Facebook because you could probably get to me much quicker than my phone. Now, when you sign up under us, you will have access to fast action bonuses, which means you would get offline marketing secrets that would help you to get to $50,000 in 10 months. Now, guys, I don't know about you, but $50,000 in 10 months is more than a side hustle. It is actually a job replacement. Okay? You can, bonus number 2, like I told you before, is discounted postcard stamps. Bonus number 3 is an inner circle private Facebook group. Like I said, a bunch of great people that you can learn from. Bonus 4 is 85% off private one-on-one coaching. Phase 5 is resources for success, where they give you access to other resources and things that other six-figure earners are using to build crazy um, businesses that you can use with any business, not just this business. Okay, so you're really going to be getting access and insight to more information on how to run a business, how to build a business, so which is a really great opportunity. Bonus number 6 is the Eagles Club. Now, all of you might not qualify for this bonus because it depends upon the level that you come in at, and those would be your bonuses and other things that you will learn um, when coming into this business. Now, guys, my suggestion for you is to sign up now. What better time than anything? This is the time when people are looking for opportunities to start a business and build a business or a side hustle. Why? It's because it's income tax time. This is when people try to find time. This is when they have that accessible income to try and start a business. My advice to you is to join up immediately and level up to phase 2 as soon as possible. If you do it within that 2-week period, you'll get that automatic bump. Okay? But this is what I will tell you. Come in at the highest level that you feel comfortable at. And let me tell you why I say this. If you come in at phase uh, 2 at the $500 level, and then you have no money for marketing, then that's not going to do you any good. You're going to have to market this business. You're going to have to buy leads and the postcards and the stamps. You're going to have to invest. And then people probably wonder, well, I'm already paying 500. I mean, why do I have to invest even more money? Just like with any business, when you lease out a building, to start your business, just because you lease that building out doesn't mean that you don't need the rest of the equipment to put in that business in order to get it going. And then it doesn't mean that just because you rented that place and you have a storefront that people are going to come. No, because you have to advertise. Okay? Now, to put it in a more serious perspective, for those that have a job or start a job, you start that job and you don't get paid first, but you have to go to that job for, depending on how often you get paid. Some people get paid every 2 weeks. It'll take you 3 weeks before you get a check. Those who get paid once a month, it'll take you a month and a half or 2 months before you get a check. But yet, you still go and do that job. Why? Because you know eventually you're going to get paid. You need to have that same mindset. Use that same energy with this business. Okay? You're going to have to put forth money because eventually you are going to get paid, but only if you stay consistent. If you quit that job, you probably going to get the little bit of money for them 2 days that you went, but you're not going to get that full month of pay. Because why? You stopped after 2 days. You stopped after 2 days. And some companies, I've been at companies where if you didn't work those 2 days, that sometimes I didn't even see anybody. I never got a check. So you have to have the right mindset when you're coming into a business. Don't come in and join at $50, get those 200 postcards, mail those 200 postcards out and say, well, this doesn't work because nothing happened. Of course it didn't, because you weren't consistent. $200 does not a business make. 200 mailing out of postcards is not a successful way to start your business. You can't have that mindset and say, okay, I'm going to mail out these 200 and that's going to be a wrap. If it was that easy, everybody would be successful. The problem with this is the mindset of people and being consistent. You have to be consistent and you have to have the mindset that, you know what, I'm going to keep mailing until I see results. Or I'm going to keep advertising online and mailing until I see results. Or I'm just going to advertise online until I see results. Regardless of what it is, you must be consistent, doing something daily, weekly, to get your name out there, get your business out there, get your number out there, okay? So guys, get started today. Let's start making some real money. I just started this business, so there's a lot of payment proof in the Facebook group. Go to that Facebook group. You can join now, even before. There's another Facebook group that you can join now and see the results that people are getting. It is absolutely amazing. Okay, so again, my number is 2711. I will have a link in the description box below for my website so that you can join immediately. Okay? Get started. Don't wait. And I'll see you again with more updates and more information about this opportunity. Thank you guys. Have a good day.